What is Recuva?
Recuva is a free data recovery tool for Windows computers. It helps you restore files that have been accidentally deleted from your hard drive, memory cards, USB drives, or other storage devices. Whether we've emptied the recycle bin or lost documents due to errors, Recuva offers a simple way to recover your important files without needing expert skills.
How to download and install Recuva?
To get started, visit the official Recuva website and download the free version. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your preferred language and install location, then finish the setup. When it's installed, you can launch Recuva from your desktop or Start menu.
Starting a file recovery scan.
Open Recuva and follow the wizard prompts. Select the type of files you want to recover, such as photos or documents, or choose all files for a thorough search. Specify the location where your files were deleted from. This could be a specific folder, drive, or the entire computer. Click Next and then Start to begin scanning.
Previewing and recovering files.
After the scan finishes, Recuva will list the recoverable files, showing details like file names, locations, and recovery chances. You can preview supported files by selecting them. Tick the checkboxes for the files you wish to restore. Then, click Recover. Choose a safe location, ideally on a different drive, to save the restored files.
Tips for a successful recovery.
Act quickly after deleting files to boost your recovery chances and avoid saving new data to the same drive. Recuva can't guarantee 100% recovery, especially if files were overwritten. Use the deep scan option for more thorough results, but be patient. It can take longer to complete. Always save recovered files to a different storage device.